How will we ensure that the AI of the future behaves ethically? This is a question that's been reverberating through the corridors of technology labs, corporate boardrooms, and global policy forums. The answer lies in the growing focus on AI ethics and responsible AI. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's paramount that these systems are ethically sound and socially responsible. Ethical AI is not just about avoiding harm, it's about actively promoting good. This means ensuring that AI systems respect human rights, promote fairness, and work for the benefit of all. Bias mitigation is a critical part of this. AI systems must be designed so they don't perpetuate or amplify societal biases. This requires careful scrutiny of the data used to train these systems and robust testing to ensure they're not unfairly disadvantaging certain groups. Fairness goes hand in hand with bias mitigation. AI systems must treat all users equally, regardless of their race, gender, age, or other characteristics. This means not only addressing bias in the data, but also considering how AI's decisions affect different people and communities. Transparency and accountability are equally important. It's not enough for AI systems to make decisions. They must also be able to explain their decisions in ways that people can understand. And when things go wrong, there must be mechanisms in place to hold these systems accountable. The future of AI depends on our ability to instill ethical principles and social responsibility. This is not just a technical challenge, but a societal one. A challenge that we must meet head-on together. Can we trust something we don't understand? That's the question at the heart of explainable AI. As artificial intelligence systems continue to grow in complexity, they're making decisions and taking actions that can have profound impacts on our lives. But how can we trust these decisions if we don't understand how they're made? That's where explainable AI, or XAI, comes into play. XAI is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on making AI algorithms more transparent and interpretable. It's all about peeling back the layers of these complex systems to reveal the logic behind their decisions. Instead of just accepting an AI's output, with XAI we can ask why and get a meaningful answer. But why is this so important? Well, imagine an AI system that's used to determine who gets a loan or who gets a job interview. If we don't understand how it's making these decisions, it's impossible to ensure they're fair, unbiased, and accurate. Explainable AI seeks to address this issue, fostering trust and understanding in these powerful systems. XAI is also crucial for debugging and improving AI systems. If we can understand why an AI is making a mistake, we can correct it. It's like having a map to navigate the intricate inner workings of these complex systems. With XAI, we are moving towards a future where AI doesn't just make decisions, it explains them. Is AI only for the experts? Not anymore. Imagine this: a world where artificial intelligence is as accessible as your smartphone. A world where you don't need a doctorate in computer science to harness the power of AI. That's the goal of AI democratization. It's a movement to make AI more accessible, more user-friendly, and more useful to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. How is this being done? Let's take a look. At the forefront of AI democratization are user-friendly AI tools and platforms. These are designed to simplify AI, making it easier for non-experts to use. They are intuitive, streamlined, and designed with the user in mind. They are like a bridge, connecting the complex world of AI with the everyday user. But it's not just about tools and platforms. AI democratization is also about education. Initiatives are underway to educate the public about AI, its potential, and its applications. This is crucial. After all, how can people use a tool if they don't understand it? AI democratization is about breaking down barriers. It's about making AI accessible to small businesses, to educators, to artists, to anyone who can benefit from it. It's about unlocking the potential of AI and using it to solve real-world problems. AI democratization is about making AI a tool for all, not just a few. Can AI revolutionize healthcare? It's already happening. As we delve into this digital age, artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly critical role in the healthcare industry, providing unprecedented opportunities for improved outcomes, efficiency, and innovation. Take medical imaging, for instance. AI algorithms can now analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with a level of precision that rivals and in some cases surpasses human capability. This not only speeds up the diagnosis process, but it also enhances accuracy, potentially saving lives by catching diseases in their early stages. Then there's drug discovery. The traditional process of developing new medications is a long and expensive endeavor. However, AI has the potential to streamline this process using algorithms to predict how different compounds will behave and how likely they are to make an effective treatment. This could dramatically shorten the time frame and reduce the costs associated with bringing new drugs to market. Personalized medicine is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help clinicians understand how a patient's unique genetic makeup might influence their health and response to treatment. This allows for more targeted and effective therapies, improving patient outcomes. Lastly, let's consider patient care management. AI-powered systems can monitor patient vitals, manage chronic conditions, and even predict future health issues, allowing for timely interventions and better overall care. AI in healthcare is not just a trend, it's a transformation. This transformation is enhancing the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases, promising a future where healthcare is more effective, personalized, and accessible. How well can AI understand human language, better than you might think? The realm of natural language processing, or NLP, is one of the most fascinating areas of AI. It's all about teaching machines to grasp the complexities of human language. The advancements in this field are truly remarkable, particularly with the rise of large-scale language models like GPT and BERT. What's so special about these models, you might ask? Well, GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and BERT, short for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, have revolutionized the way AI understands and generates human language. They train on vast amounts of text data and learn to predict what word comes next. This might sound simple, but it's a game changer. You see, these models don't just memorize phrases, they understand context, sentiment, and even nuances, making their language output incredibly human-like. This has opened the door for a multitude of applications. Have you ever interacted with a chatbot that seemed almost human? That's NLP at work. What about instant language translation? Again, that's the magic of NLP. Sentiment analysis, where AI determines if a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral, is another powerful application of NLP. With the ongoing advancements in NLP, AI is not just learning to understand our language, it's learning to generate it, translate it, and even analyze it. In essence, with NLP, AI is learning to speak our language. What happens when AI meets the Internet of Things? Welcome to the world of edge computing. In a world that is increasingly connected, the Internet of Things, or IoT, has become a significant player. We have devices in our homes, cars, and even on our wrists that are collecting data around the clock. But how do we process this overwhelming amount of information effectively? Enter the concept of edge computing. Traditionally, data collected by IoT devices would have to travel all the way to a central server or the cloud to be processed. This method, however, has its limitations. It can lead to latency issues, and it's not always practical or efficient, especially when real-time decision-making is required. This is where edge computing comes into play. With edge computing, AI models are deployed directly on edge devices like your smartwatch or home assistant. These devices can then process data right where it's collected in real time. This approach reduces latency, enhances privacy, and even saves on bandwidth. The trend towards deploying AI models on edge devices is gaining momentum. It's being driven by advancements in AI algorithms that can operate on less powerful hardware and a growing need for real-time, localized decision-making across various applications, from autonomous vehicles to smart home systems. Imagine a world where your smartwatch can detect an irregular heartbeat and alert you to seek medical attention immediately, or a traffic light that can adapt its timing based on real-time traffic conditions. These are just a few examples of what's possible when AI meets edge computing. With edge computing, AI is getting closer to where the action is. Imagine a world without traffic jams or road accidents. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles. These self-driving marvels are no longer a figment of our imagination, but a reality shaping our world today. The heart of these self-driving machines is artificial intelligence. AI algorithms act as the mind of the vehicle, learning from vast amounts of data to make decisions in real time. They navigate the roads, recognize traffic signs, and respond to unexpected obstacles, all with an unerring precision that far surpasses human capabilities. Sensor technology is another critical component. LiDAR, radar, and cameras serve as the eyes and ears of the vehicle, providing a continuous stream of data about the surrounding environment. These sensors work in harmony with the AI algorithms, enabling the vehicle to perceive and interact with the world. But it's not just about the technology. Regulatory frameworks also play a crucial role. Governments worldwide are grappling with the challenge of integrating these vehicles into our roads safely and efficiently. It's a complex task, balancing innovation with public safety, but one that is essential for the future of autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are more than just a trend. They represent a significant shift in how we think about transportation. They promise to reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon emissions, and most importantly, save lives by eliminating human error from driving. Autonomous vehicles are not just a trend, they're a journey towards a safer, smarter future. From Wall Street to your local bank, AI is changing the face of finance. As we delve into the financial world, we find that AI has become an integral part of its operations, revolutionizing the way we manage, invest, and safeguard our money. Take algorithmic trading, for instance. Here, AI systems are employed to make lightning-fast trading decisions, analyzing market trends, and executing trades at speeds far beyond human capabilities. This not only optimizes financial gains but also mitigates the risk of human error. But it's not just about making money. AI also plays a significant role in safeguarding our finances. Fraud detection systems powered by AI are now capable of identifying suspicious activities in real time, minimizing the risk of financial losses. These systems learn from each transaction, becoming smarter and more effective over time. Risk assessment is another area where AI shines. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can provide accurate predictions about the financial stability of individuals or businesses. This aids in making informed lending decisions, ensuring the balance between risk and reward. And let's not forget customer service. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are now the first point of contact for many customers, providing immediate responses to queries and facilitating transactions. Lastly, there's financial advisory services. AI is transforming this field, offering personalized investment advice based on an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. So, whether it's about making profitable trades or securing your hard-earned money, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in the financial sector. In finance, the future is AI. Robots are no longer just science fiction. They're our co-workers, our helpers, our friends. In the ever-advancing field of robotics, artificial intelligence plays the linchpin role, transforming them from mere machines into intelligent entities capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions. Let's consider industrial automation. AI-powered robots are revolutionizing this sector, performing tasks with precision and efficiency that surpass human capabilities. They're not just welding car parts or assembling gadgets, they're also learning from their environment, optimizing their work, and even collaborating with humans to enhance productivity. Now let's shift our gaze towards healthcare. Here, robots are making strides in areas like surgery, rehabilitation, and patient care. Imagine a robot performing a complex surgical procedure with an accuracy that leaves no room for human error. Or consider a robotic arm helping a stroke patient regain their motor skills. These aren't mere possibilities, they're realities thanks to AI. But it's not just about work. AI-powered robots are also becoming our companions at home, helping with household chores or providing company to the elderly. They're learning to understand our needs, our emotions, and to respond in ways that are empathetic and helpful. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, it's clear that AI and robotics is not about replacing humans but enhancing our capabilities, adding value to our lives and opening up possibilities we never imagined. With AI and robotics, we're entering a new era of human-machine collaboration. Education is the key to the future, and AI might just be the key to education. Artificial intelligence is making a significant impact in the realm of education, reshaping traditional teaching and learning methods. It's not just about robots teaching algebra or history, it's about revolutionizing the entire educational landscape. The power of AI allows us to personalize learning experiences. Each student is unique, with their own strengths, weaknesses, and learning pace. AI can analyze these individual learning patterns and tailor educational content accordingly, making learning more effective and enjoyable. Adaptive tutoring is another area where AI shines. It can provide students with one-on-one tutoring, offering real-time feedback and constantly adapting to their learning progress. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, but without the high cost. The administrative side of education is also benefiting from AI, From automating administrative tasks, such as grading and scheduling, to predicting student performance and dropout rates, AI is helping educational institutions to be more efficient and proactive. AI is also a powerful tool in supporting educators. It can provide teachers with insights into student learning patterns, helping them to identify areas where students may need additional help. It can also take over routine tasks, freeing up teachers' time to focus on what they do best: teaching. In essence, AI is transforming education from a one-size-fits-all model to a more personalized and adaptive approach, making it more engaging and effective for students and teachers alike. AI in education is not just a trend, it's a revolution.